Hey Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making dirty rice. This is so good and a perfect southern side dish. It's great with fried chicken and a biscuit, if you know what I mean. Please watch my videos to the end. They are short and it helps me keep making videos. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have a mild red bell pepper here, and we're going to slice around the bell pepper, avoiding the seeds. This is a great technique to use not to have to deal with the seeds. And as you can see on the left, we have some green onions, and we're going to chop them too. And we're going to use the whites and the greens. And this is a very nice dynamic. I know a lot of things that I only use the whites for or I only use the greens for, but in this case, we're going to use both. So we're going to get these vegetables chopped and set them aside. In this Dutch oven, we have butter and vegetable oil. We're going to add green onions and chopped red pepper. Red bell pepper, not hot at all. I'm going to cook and stir this until the butter is melted and the vegetables we have in here softened. Now we're just going to remove this and set it aside. All this, including the butter. Grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. And now we're browning some breakfast sausage. We're just gonna cook and break it up until it's done. Alright, now this is brown and broken up into bits. We're going to remove this and set it aside. I'm gonna add it to this bowl. We have some chicken broth in the Dutch oven. Add a little butter. And I'm going to add the rice. Now this is parboiled rice, also known as converted rice. And give it a little stir, just like one stir. And we're going to bring this to a boil. This is boiling well. Cover and let it simmer for 25 minutes. And we're going to reduce the heat below. Now I'm just going to remove the top and give ourselves a steam bath. And now that the rice is cooked, it tastes good. Just tasted it. It tastes good already. We're going to add back the sausage and the red bell pepper and the green onions with that butter. And we're just going to stir the sausage and the vegetables into the rice. Add some spices. We have Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, black pepper, celery salt. We have salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. There you go, and we're going to mix all of this together. Now I'm going to put the top back on. That is hot. For a few minutes. I'm going to taste it. Make sure it tastes okay. That's so good. You can find this and other fine videos at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. Go to the recipe blog section. You know I got you. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.